Alright guys, right now right now I'm about to get to that red and white party. It's like 7 o'clock and the party's done at like 9 or 10. So I'm gonna head there and see what's up with that. The light's still gone, well, everywhere over here, and that's because JPS is on the road, so I'm guessing they're fixing something. If you guys don't know, JPS is the electrical company that we have here. And we only have one, third world country, so that's the deal right now. But anyway, I'll catch you guys on the event. Guys, so pretty much I just parked by Matthew right now. It's like 7:20. So officially I would have like 1 hour and 20 minutes to enjoy the party, but you know, that's enough, to be quite honest, because right now I can still feel my feet from the water party. But anyway guys, I'll shout you up whenever I get into the event. We're in the line at the event.
Everybody run around, put your legs up, this sex so good, I should never.
Checking for the band. Make sure the band's still good.
Spinning in his mentions like he came from LinkedIn. Rocket with the underground. When I get like this, it can't be around you. I'm just a team.
Come on, Toronto crew, always representing. Now. We got well. Everybody never can defend yourself. Put your phone behind them in the ear. Put your gun in the ear. Who don't sing the party alone in the celebrity film?
Anytime you see we try to know our hard cash, we have top mode. Fast cash. I will not listen when some yes man watch
That was the first one.
So just you have one more for play now.
This one is the one now that's playing on international radio.
You know we're there. Give me some levels from America. Engineer levels.
Charlie B. FBG Charlie B.
Give me some levels on Mike Tree.
Mike Tree, yeah. 55 more streets.
Yo.
Canada nigga ripped out.
Ready, show up.
Yeah, it's the young on the G. That's right, low so, case you ain't know so.
One more guy,
Boy, Fire. I'm here with the #1 DJ in Canada, my dude, DJ Charlie B. Nice. Yo, what's going on, man? This is Drizzy Drake. I'm rocking with DJ Charlie Brown, aka Mr. Canada. Hey, you rockin' with Mr. Canada right now, man. #1 DJ. Man, who else should I be talking about, man? DJ Charlie B. Hey, Charlie B, let these fools know what it is.
You.
You working with DJ Charlie.
What up?
Charlie B 400.
All my people that came here to have some motherfucking fun tonight, make some noise. We're about to turn this shit up. Get your drinks up right now. Get him up. Get him up. Get him up. Get him up.
Love him up.
If you know no one paid for your trip tonight, what? Bounce.
Y'all niggas
That's the shit up.
don't like yo shit, make believe, rapping about my own.
Shut this shit.
Nigga,
What?
Ric Flair,
Who the
nigga,
FCF?
I was in my head, nigga.
Yeah.
Trifecta, 3 hoes, trifecta, dope money, coke money.
If you
Sparta, let me see what I'm doing here. Sparta! Sparta! Yeah, I'm telling you something, I'm doing what you can. Yeah, you know, them can't scare me.
Shammy, say something.
Man, mighty man, 90 club Riley. You see them coward. Send me your badness. Give me there. Big up yourself, Spice. Love her. Hey, queen. What I know? All the real bad people, the boy, you look on the bagosa. My side. Cause I run. Everybody bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. We don't know about them, but we know about we. The master intimidating. Take off your expensive panty. Victoria, tell nobody. Jesus, peace. Oh yeah. Rock Spice. Hey, 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 hey.
The eagle like boom, boom, the eagle like boom, boom.
Send me a badness. People love her. I have a show right now to go. Sure. Yeah. Well, I stop with him. I want to tell you one thing I want to tell you from night. But just remember. I have nothing more to say, I don't have to tell him. Hold on, stop burning him! Stop burning him! A lie man I tell a while ago. Me have a big international artist to call him. You know as far as international, you know? Yeah man, we need it rational. I'm gonna say yo, I want the big top star come sing for the people then. I'm gonna say yo, Jackie, come sing for the people then. One sample. Yeah man, I make nice for Jackie, man, do it. Yeah. Skada, put it up too. Special. Skada. I will sing on it. Tamili, why you call me up now, man? Why you call me up there for? Again. sing, because I don't want to never talk. You dream and unlucky, you know. Let me tell you, see me here, me expensive. Look at me outfit and you know how I live. You don't want to know the social media thing how I live. I wasn't planning to come up here free, but they want this.
No, you gotta let her.
But anyway, I love the music more. Yesterday you were your family. Your father is a best friend of mine. And this is no friend thing, this is a brother thing.
But we don't go down, I'm not telling. Listen, ladies, pick up the girl that bodies. And sex out the hotel room when the party is done. Twisted spirits right now.
Telling me no.
No! No!
But my body, tell me, baby.
Jazzy, the girl with the tight punani scream at me here now. Yeah. Jazzy, wanna shut me up? You have some man, and we have a little situation some of them, and on 3 weekends never telling them.
Yes, I try out some food really quick to me. Some jerk chicken and festival or whatever. When I like crow them place I don't feel because I be a bike and have to watch yourself, you see me? I'm not lose my foot just saying that. Maybe some jerk chicken real mad and quick. Madam bad. Some festival. Only one festival? Eh?
Yeah, one festival.
Alright, give me 2 more now. Step on, man. Alright guys, so I'm back in my apartment and luckily the light is back. Yo, that event was so funny. It was a really good event. But what's so funny is like the whole time I was like, yo, it's 9 o'clock, it's time to be done, yo. But the event never done till like 10 o'clock, yo. I was just like, yo, nigga, I'm ready to go. But the event is done. Oh, it's really late because I stopped to get something to eat. It's 11:38. Most of them want to get ready for like 12:30, so I have a few minutes to maybe get some rest, maybe shoot a few photos or something for the Instagram. I'm trying that whole Instagram thing because I don't find myself to be the most photogenic person. I think I'm pretty average, so I'm gonna try that Instagram thing, you know, hit up some messages. Home base is messaging me. So I'll let you guys know what's up. This was supposed to be a photo. But I got so used to pressing the record button, I pressed the record button again. I'm sorry guys.